SIBO symptoms explained and what organ system you need to focus on to heal. My name is Peggy Schimmer from peggyschimmer.com. I welcome you to Gut Feelings, the channel to help you heal your digestion so you have all the energy to bring your gifts into the world. Today's theme is about SIBO symptoms, what are typical symptoms for SIBO, and what are the related chronic diseases that you might not have thought of that come from the same root cause. Now, there's an introductory video all around SIBO and what's the real cause that I'm linking for you up here. If you haven't watched that video yet, I share with you free basic information that you need to know to heal SIBO and why you might have not healed SIBO yet. If you haven't watched that video, pause this video right now and open this link in a new window. Watch that video first and then come back to this one, because then it will make more sense for you when you have the basics covered. This video has two parts. First, we're going to talk about what are the classical SIBO symptoms, and second, we're going to talk about which diseases you might experience as well, chronic issues that are related to SIBO as well, because they have the same root cause. So maybe you're thinking about doing a SIBO test, or you already got your results back from your doctor and you got the diagnosis that you have SIBO, and now you're watching this video to learn more about how you can treat SIBO, what SIBO treatments are available, or you want to know more about what are really your symptoms, are they related to SIBO or not, then you're in the right place. So let's start right off. What are the classical SIBO symptoms that doctors relate to SIBO? Number one, abdominal pain is one of the most typical SIBO symptoms. These cramps before you eat something or after you eat. You just have the feeling your body can't really digest the food. Second, belching and burping. And third, constipation, but also diarrhea. You can have either diarrhea or constipation or both, changing throughout the days. And the fourth symptoms is a lack in minerals and nutrients. That you have a nutrient deficiency, very typical because there's inflammation happening in your whole body, not only in your gut, also in your stomach, and that can affect the way how you can absorb the nutrients from the food you eat. Now, what most doctors are aware of is that SIBO is a bacterial infection. That's why it's called small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. But there's a specific bacteria which is responsible for your symptoms and for SIBO, that causes SIBO. And if you haven't heard about that, again, watch that video. I'm explaining that much more in detail in this video. Just to make it short, the underlying cause for SIBO is an antibiotic-resistant strain of Streptococcus. Here's why this has an effect on you, how you can heal if you know this. Because there are certain chronic health impairments, health issues that come together with SIBO because they are caused by the same antibiotic-resistant strep strain. So what are these chronic issues that are the same? Well, first, urinary tract infections, chronic urinary tract infection, also called UTIs. This is the same strain of strep that also causes your SIBO symptoms. Most doctors know that bacteria can travel throughout the body, but they think they can only travel downwards. But actually, bacteria can move up and downwards in the body. This is how antibiotic-resistant strep strain can travel from the urinary system all over, or from the intestines throughout the stomach. There's no barrier in there. If you suffer from ear infections that can be related, sore throats, and congestion in the sinus, this is the same bacteria. And then also directly related is acne. If you suffer or suffered from cystic acne, again, same strep strain, causing here a big variety of different symptoms which are all from the same root cause. Now, important to know, even if you only have SIBO and none of the mentioned directly related health issues, what's important to know for you is that strep can aggravate any chronic condition that you're dealing with. So even if you don't have UTIs, you don't have acne, you don't have a congested nose or sore throat or often ear infections or just general irritation in the digestive system that's also related, then even if you have other things, they can be worsened by strep. So it's definitely a good idea to look into how to really get that bacteria out of your system and heal your body, help your body heal. There are two main organ systems that you need to focus your energy on if you want to heal SIBO. And the first one is your stomach, and in particular HCl, your stomach acid. I also talk about more in this video that I linked above in the beginning, because bacteria like strep, they can travel in both directions. Yeah, so even if SIBO started in the small intestines, it can affect the stomach lining as well and can cause a major health impairments for you through that. And the second organ system that is affected by SIBO that needs support from you is your immune system. You gotta stabilize and re-inform the immune system. How to do that you find out in the next video about SIBO, where I talk about how to support your body to build up HCl and support the immune system to really thrive and get rid of strep naturally. If you suffer from acne on top of SIBO, you also need to work with your lymphatic system in particular, because then the strep has also populated your lymphatic system, which is very typical. I hope this information helps you. Stay tuned for the next video so you can apply this knowledge and take it into action and heal your body. Because knowledge and knowing what really happens in your body is the first step, but not the last. Let me know in the comments below, what have you tried to heal SIBO? Did you have a special SIBO diet? What are your test results on SIBO? If you have any questions, put them down below. Thanks for watching. I see you in the next video. Have a lovely day.